After exporting STL file from SketchUp, we'll then need to install Prusa Slicer software. You can find it here on a link by scanning this QR code, and then we're going to switch to Prusa Slicer, which is actually software for preparing our STL files for 3D printer. First of all, we import the STL file, and then we check the printing options. Our printer is Prusa MK3S Plus. You can find it here in a drop-down menu. We're going to print it using PLA filament, so it's going to be PLA. And our printing quality is going to be 0.2 millimeters quality print. After we set that up, we click here on Slice Now. So the software actually simulates the printer working and defines different parts of 3D model and estimates the time required for printing this model. If everything is okay with our model here, and if we are satisfied with all of these parameters and printing time, we can then click here and export G code, save it to our maybe desktop, and after we save it to our computer, we can copy it directly to SD card and print that file from SD card on our 3D printer.